I have to go for MEO class for exams to UK, that will be counted as a part of my NRI period. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneet Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. मेरे साथ हैं राजीव कौशिक सर, चीफ इंजीनियर मर्चेंट नेवी. 2014 में सर ने सेलिंग छोड़ी विद एज अ चीफ इंजीनियर फॉर मर्स्ट टैंकर्स. टुडे हेल्पिंग thousands of seafarers who are ready to learn the art of investing. एंड सर को मैं बोलूँ तो मैं ऑफिशियली मानता हूँ सर को एज अ फाइनेंशियल गुरु, स्पेशली फॉर मर्चेंट नेवी सीफेयरर्स. तो आज का वीडियो है अबाउट एनआरआई. हम लोग एनआरआई को एज अ नॉन रेजिडेंट इंडियन जानते हैं, बट आज सर से एक एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि एनआरआई की डेफिनेशन है क्या. बहुत सारे लोग कंफ्यूज रहते हैं सर, कई बार सीए से पूछते हैं. मैं आज भी ग्रुप्स के अंदर देखता हूँ क्वेश्चन आता रहता है, यार मैं एनआरआई स्टेटस क्या है, कितने दिन रह गए, कितना नहीं. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट सर. आप बताइए सर आज एनआरआई के बारे में.
Now we are talking about NRI or non-resident Indian. Now the word is very clear. Somebody who is not resident in India.
राइट सर.
What are the conditions? There are various conditions in this which are applicable to different people. But basic is that any person who does not stay in India for more than 181 days. It says 182, but let's say 181. Less than 182 days. When he goes out for employment, then he becomes a non-resident Indian. As a non-resident Indian, you have certain advantages which we look forward to, because that is why we are making this video.
Right, sir.
That what is the advantage? The advantage is that in a financial year, if you are staying in India for less than 182 days, then our salary which we earn outside India becomes tax-free.
अंडरस्टूड सर.
The condition which I said earlier was you have to leave the country for employment. Going for holiday, going for vacation, going for studies. Even a student does not make you a non-resident Indian. But हम लोगों का कुछ status ऐसा होता है कि after class 4 या after cadetship we go to UK for exams. Now that is actually a professional exam. We are already professionals. So, and we have already earned. So that can be put up as going for professional training, and it can be included in that.
So sir, I'll put in question form straight away. So first thing is कि let's talk about what is a financial year. You said financial year. तो financial year क्या हुआ sir?
Financial year in India starts from 1st April to 31st March of the next year.
So that is a financial year. Calendar year is 1st of January to 31st of December.
हमें उससे मतलब नहीं है.
उससे मतलब नहीं है. हमें यहाँ फाइनेंशियल ईयर से मतलब है.
बिल्कुल.
तो फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड थिंग इज आपने बोला कि 181 डेज से ज्यादा नहीं रह सकता आप इंडिया में.
बिल्कुल.
तो सर अब यहाँ पर 3 कंडीशन है. माय फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज सपोज माय साइन ऑन इज से आई हैव टू जॉइन अ शिप फ्रॉम से यूएस से न्यूयॉर्क से, एंड आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम से कनाडा. तो सर व्हाट आर द डेज दैट आई एम गोइंग टू इंक्लूड इन
Yes.
for my NRI status?
When you leave India and you come back to India by air, this is for information of the new seafarers, your passport gets stamped.
Right sir. Immigration पे stamp होता है.
For that date. If it is before 12 o'clock, it is that date. If you go after 12 o'clock, it becomes the next day. So those days should be counted in India.
Okay, those days should be counted in India.
Leaving India and coming back to India should be counted as days in India, because आपका plane अभी इंडिया में था. उसके बीच में जो आप बाहर रहे हैं, whether your ship was anywhere including an Indian port, doesn't matter. Even if this ship has come back from America to India and gone back, it doesn't matter. You have signed off from a different port and you have come to India. So if you fulfill those condition of days, you become a non-resident Indian.
Okay. So sir, ये था पहला condition. Second condition is say I sign on, I join a ship say from Krishnapatnam, that is in Chennai के पोर्ट से मैं ज्वाइन करता हूँ, and I sign off from say Canada, again Canada. So now in this case, what are the dates?
Yes. Now in this case, what happens is there is some, like we have air immigration, we also have sea immigration.
Right sir.
You go through them. So they do not stamp your passport.
Yes sir.
They stamp your CDC.
Right sir.
Now as per the latest regulation from the government of India, your CDC date will be counted as leaving India. That date, and the date when you come back to India will be counted as the date you came back to India.
Understood sir. So that means अगर मैं इसे correctly समझ रहा हूँ, say if I am signing on from Chennai, then in that case my CDC date will be taken as the date that you were in India and you have left India, right,
Yes,
sir?
yes.
So that will be the day in India.
Correct.
And say I'm signing off from Canada, no matter whatever date I'm signing off, does not matter. But the
The day
date I come back to India and the immigration stamps that
Yes.
date, that will be counted as my day in India, right,
That
sir?
means you have to put both things together. CDC for going out,
Going out.
passport for coming
Coming
in. And the similar way, if
And-
suppose you
So that
sign-
is my third condition.
Okay.
Say I am leaving India from Chennai and coming into India, that is signing off from a ship from Mumbai. So then in that case, I guess it should be CDC dates.
Only CDC.
Only CDC
Only
dates.
CDC. If you are signing off from seaport, it will be CDC dates. Otherwise, it will be passport and CDC or CDC and passport.
So say sir, suppose कीजिए कि those people जिनका NRI days complete नहीं हो रहे हैं because of sealing, if they go for say बोले कि मैं हांगकांग जा रहा हूँ घूमने के लिए, that will not be counted in the
Certainly not.
Certainly not. So if somebody saying अरे मैं जा रहा हूँ commercial airlines का कोर्स करने के लिए to US, will that be counted?
No.
So just putting it across, sir, last एक point ये जो मुझे clear करना है. Say I have to go for MEO class for exams to UK, that will be counted as a part of my NRE period. Suppose अगर मेरी company, because when I was sailing in BP, they used to call chief engineers to London for doing a few days course, 15 days course. That can be also termed as an employment period
That is
for
employment.
NRE, right, sir?
Yes, yes. But in such cases, you should maintain those
Records.
Those records. Records means those emails, those flight tickets, or even if you have the hotel bookings. In some companies like Maersk and other companies, you have to check into your hotel on your own. You have to pay on your own, and then you can claim it back when you're on ship. So all these records are very good to have because they are all available on your email.
Right, sir.
So it is very important.
So guys, this is I think so all about NRI status that you have to maintain. And अगर आपको कुछ भी doubts हैं, कुछ भी queries हैं, please mention in the comment section and we'll try our very best to make a further series on that, or we'll be answering in the comment section itself. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.